I'll be me and how do you know how we go nang no pero how you can yeah, it's quite similar to funny. That yung ko ay si ako'y is kung ko video how kayo matang you know kung say I'm not fake, I just know Filipino. I don't know. Okay. I see Lord Gienge ko. Esa chica que tengo que happen no neighbor. Esther dan tahu mo dan nama ikon do Esther ang chica surage you know. Diwali Delhi de yaw ni. Have the Esther na may mama na bimi ako man Delhi yaw bi plan li. Aw Delhi de lak tu ini. Horin garani. Sao mà Oscar đi đâu? Tôi bảo hụt bây giờ tôi tao em ngoài gì chứ? My height it's 5'5". Tôi hoi thao na lang siya. Sung laong nga magi. Hoi. Ningsi. So me and my friend, we were planning to go out in some time. We're trying to book a cab. So I am sure the cab will be here in 5-10 minutes, not more than that. I say it's Bangalore. So right now we're staying in Goramangla. Yeah. Yes sir, haying ay Delhi ning tomorrow I'm going back to Delhi. Aduga after Dehradun chalani. You look too oily. Oh my god, I think I should tell you the difference between oily, shiny, glossy, glowy. Outfit check. It's like this. What you do? Actually, I came here for my medical checkup, and then after my checkup and all is done, like I decided to stay back for a few more days to explore the place. I am not well. Hi Jadu, ay Diwali nung ano ba tulog tayo mal. Hi Riri, tell me na adu ngas ay di haying handor tomorrow I'm going back. Aduga yar ka di tain na si horin ko. Ningol chako ba irang na chat pa yadre. Adu kem to mdog di chakari chaning eh. Dum chak amo katang char so get well sin chichi. Thank you. Bangalore lagi ay Goramangla lagi Scarlett nang lady la una si dana. Hi Mehuli. Daniel to even his dad is in Delhi no, so he's going back tomorrow. Daniel's dad, and then so Daniel and Pimi here. Daniel to he was not well for a day, and then we took him my nannies and all they took him to the doctor and now he's fine. Ha homestay de laye. Aduti unas si Scarlett ito nagi mafam ka kang zilak chate hi zade. Rakela. Oh, the cab is here. Okay, let me just get ready. And then I told you I give him kumot mo. Nothing the lady. Chala, let me just get ready. I remember the lady. I did block the 6 block raw. B block. Mathing! Is she keep blocked out? 6 block. Mrs. Hello, Scarlett. I go and see. Good afternoon, guys. Hi, Daddy Sean. Weather din nungai buko. I di Bangalore si yung 20 hapon mo from na di kim kang gado. Traffic di heavy no. Ado I si hanay BNB mo dali rame kanada Indranagar daita duduga hojik shift awri kanado mafam amada aduga I si sida lai se delivery la kumale lai buke ni ure ani am pame dubo mi ki ore Che do kai ta kai do ai some say chebum kai da kai no gida ne school da kana chatli no you say mating I promise you there is nothing Bangalore ne I don't know hujik chatri say it's Goramangla side ne hujik chatri say adu sunungai hai adu duna thabak tu le shala bani na homestay do nungai bam pham da le rusin amu chatli ne arang booking to ba adu ga ngasiga hayingi so probably Monday da di yum da han ki bai dali da han ki bai Sige, ay na bigi check up chat pa ni. Bangalore si weather nung ay rame ko chumme na hay si Silex. Manti nung ay pa ni okay nung ay ba yung waragke ko nung na hay pa ni na yung waragke. Yes. Susi traffic sa pale ay ginakin da siyam na tabag yung ching manupi malay ba mali? I don't know. Daka Bangalore. Hi, ma'am contact number habra. Contact number. Oh, contact number. Okay. Mana sekarang use to okay. Ayun, skincare para sa pangsin siya na yun da. Tsaka tarong lang, kamahali. Ay, sinakaila ino sa legs. Kuy ba chat pa. Ngarang to nung dang do ko. Sila di adumay na, kakamay na hay doon yung dali kumakaman di sila di adum everything shuts down by 12:01. So, baby and I met a friend last night. So we went out for dinner and drinks. Ito ka, forever never. I'm sorry, right? Ay, ito ilan, ito katang kangin na haba. Pimi yung may hauray, madi. May school gi ka no, gi function kita ka na ito, manina, kabidyo ko isanin, tamawin na. Video tara, may video call tara, may mama, ay kamain tawag doon na. Ay, ito, inayam hay doon, inasamdo yung pazihay, given. Say nini ha bunga say why भैया कितना मैंने दिखा रहा है 15 में ओके Kay Bobby ka din no. जी तुम्हें करना है स्टोर ना समझ कर जब everything में Have the curry store? Or do you know have departmental store? Do you have Bangalore? Dani. Koi bum ga lai te da. Have the koi am khango boy ready pa buko mafam sige. But since we don't know much about this place, there's chat pangamdre. Makeup salo chilla. But we are going back to Delhi on Monday. Yeah. So once we reach Delhi too, it's very happening. So I can't wait to be back in Delhi. That's it. Kaha manali, kaha manali. Probably some years. Okay. Oh, nang hai pe ki hong do ko. So ni che na bahang bal. Okay, ko rek. Mali mem dai ni kan to yan. Oh, kaya pata wa mandi da khang di. And the beauty never filter me. Just akadoy. No, I don't do anything. I'm just a homemaker. I sira mood off I had to say or off I binate da. Don't get it to beginning. Have the Maram sung late na hekta no ozu ya de na jika maram sung dunila no magi have dun. And bas yes. Nanda che orami kamay na orami no. Jaga to working ka de sung to choktrida. Tari orin. Because nga sigahay nga tangay na nalagday ko. Ay, di kinoo ka sa mga nga sabi. Alehore, ako di address di. So, dam siya lang. Nini Jun, senis, thâu đám, cho nó làm được tập biểu. Hi, senis, thâu đám. Ngày bro, mình put the lag tree. Some years. So can I say it's not very hot out here. Ay, hozik sa ako'y kilay ba mamahong inihan na nagi live doon nga ito pagi money from Bali money for free money for Bali money ay call him daw ko